Hey, what's wrong, y'all? It's CoasterDolphin here, and today we have a very special update regarding Top Thrill 2. The track has gone vertical. Everything is starting to come into shape. It's looking incredible. Without further ado, let's take a look and see what's going on with Top Thrill 2. Okay, that does it today for an awesome Top Thrill 2 construction update. I like the progress of the ride, and I'm super excited to ride it when I can go back to Cedar Point in 2024. It looks incredible. As you can tell, I'm about to go on Gatekeepers, so that means thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, turn on post notifications. And as always, we'll go ahead and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.